Hello, I'm Mike, Senior Technical Support Engineer at DHII Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Digihelic Links data acquisition logging software for use with Series DH and DH2 differential pressure controllers. Today, we will be using a DH controller with the MN-1 mini node converter to communicate to the Digihelic Links software installed on a laptop. To start, connect power to the DH. The MN-1 features a 2-wire communication cable that has an RJ45 connector on one end and strip leads on the other. Plug the RJ45 end into the mini node. The green wire is terminated on terminal 11 on the back of the DH and the red wire on terminal 12. Once the units are wired, connect the MN-1 to the PC or laptop using a USB port. Insert the Digihelic Links software into the computer's CD drive and follow the automated prompts to install. Before running Digihelic Links for the first time, use your system's device manager to verify the COM port number being used by the mini node. Once Digihelic Links starts up, configure the communication port via the Communications tab at the top of the interface. From the main screen, you can access the communications, recording, and event logging status of the Digihelic. On this screen, you can also select a live view of the current DH or DH2. In the Configure Instrument screen, all of the settings that can be accessed in the menus of the DH or DH2 can be accessed and changed via the General, Output, Velocity and Flow, and Advanced tabs. The settings can be read from or sent to the device connected. The configuration can be saved to a backup file or read from an existing backup file. The address selection box can access other devices connected to the same Modbus network, from 1 to 247. In the instrument monitoring screen, 40 devices can be monitored on the same Modbus network at one time. This screen will indicate if there is a communication error or an event occurring with a particular device, such as an alarm or set point condition. In the event logging screen, previous events can be viewed and recorded to a CSV file. Older files can be reviewed here also. In the graphing screen, up to 10 devices can be graphed at one time. The sampling rate, duration, and refresh rate can be modified in real time on the fly. The graph time base can be set for seconds, minutes, or hours, and the scaling of the graphical display can be manually set or automatically scaled. After logging, the graph data can be saved as a CSV file, cleared, or printed. Saved graphical data can be recalled for later review via the Restore button. In the zero and span screen, the DH or DH2 can be calibrated remotely. Other devices on the Modbus network can also be accessed and serviced through this screen via the address dropdown. In the Find Instrument screen, the current Modbus network can be scanned to detect other devices across a specific upper and lower address range. To learn more or order any DHII product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.